In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and restore your Google Tag Manager account and container, a step-by-step guide to help you manage your digital assets efficiently. If you're looking to clean up or recover important components of your online tracking setup, you're in the right place. What you need to remember is that these steps are quite straightforward, but they do need your careful attention, especially when you decide to permanently delete anything. Let's start with deleting a Google Tag Manager container. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the Admin tab. It's a sort of control center for all administrative tasks. In the layout on the rightmost column, you'll find a list of the containers available within the account. To delete one, simply choose the specific container you want to eliminate from your list. Next, you'll need to click on Container Settings. This is where you can make changes to your container, including the decision to remove it. Look to the upper right corner of the interface where you'll find three dots. Clicking those dots will reveal a drop-down menu with the option to delete. Once you've clicked delete, a confirmation prompt will appear. It's crucial at this point to ensure the container really is the one you wish to delete, because this process is irreversible. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and confirm. Now, if you've accidentally deleted a container or you're looking to restore one, don't worry. Google Tag Manager provides a way to recover containers. Return to the account screen and locate the trash can icon. Clicking this will show you a list of containers that are available for recovery. From this list, choose the container you want to bring back to life and click Restore. And with that, your container is active again. Let's move on to deleting a Google Tag Manager account. Navigating to the account you wish to delete is your first step. Once you've located it, head over to Admin, then to Account Settings. Here, just like with containers, you'll find three dots in the top right corner. Clicking these will present the option to delete the account. Clicking delete will prompt you for a final confirmation. Take a moment to be certain, because proceeding will permanently remove the account. When it comes to restoring an account, the process mirrors container restoration. Within the account screen, find the trash can icon once more, click on it and you'll see a list of accounts that are eligible for restoration. Select the account you're interested in and click Restore. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your Google Tag Manager setup with the peace of mind that you can restore elements if needed. Remember, whether you're deleting or restoring, being cautious and double checking your choices is always a wise move.